Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go to UltData app and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell like and subscribe. See you